What's up everyone, my name is Anthem and today we're going to make your Windows desktop look from basic to awesome. What we're going to do is we're going to download a program called Rainmeter. So go to rainmeter.net. Links to everything in the description box down below. Once you're inside the website, download the final version and open. Once you see this screen, welcome to Rainmeter. I recommend that you do install the standard installation. Don't go portable yet. And choose wherever you like to install the version and launch and start up. I recommend that you put this where your OS is on the same drive. I'm not going to be installing it now because I already have it in my desktop. Once you've installed this, however, and ran, you're going to see something like this. Welcome to Rainmeter. This is the very default skin. As you can see, Rainmeter is about widgets if you're not familiar with it yet. It's all about widgets, creating custom things, creating custom clouds, visualizations for your audio, and everything else. It's going to make your desktop look from anything like everyone else's into something unique, one you can create for yourself. All right. So next is I need you to go to the link down in the description box. There's a link there to my OneDrive. You're going to see 5 things. Download all of those 5 things. And once you have, I want you to apply the wallpaper. Shout out to Tristan McKenzie from Unsplash. All right, unload all the skins. From the black translucent box, I need you to right click it and click unload skin. And do this for each one of them. All right, once that's out of the way, we're gonna install all 4 of these teardrop, water drop green icons one by one. Shout out to all the creators of these contents, they're awesome. I want you to first install Stylistic by Hiphopium. Shout out to Hiphopium, he's a great creator. Check him out on DeviantArt. Right click, install, and click on install. It's gonna open these options for you. So as you can see now, it's so far from just the basic Windows desktop. You have this really beautiful looking clock. It's Thursday for me today. So the skin actually is looking at my system clock. It knows it's Thursday. So that's why you see the time of recording this video. It tells you the weather conditions. Because I didn't adjust the weather settings in the settings menu, it says that I'm still in Madrid. However, you can always change that later on. We can go to skins, stylistic, and settings. To find your weather code, click on this location. Once you click that, it'll send you to this website. Once you're in this website, you just have to find your country. I recommend you just click Control F and find yours. I'm in the Philippines, so PH. There it is, Philippines. And it's gonna ask me for my exact city. I'm gonna copy this, Control C, and I'm gonna send it right over here. Replace that, click Enter. Close the settings, and now you see that it's adjusted. It's pretty hot in here. Okay, moving forward, let's install next the translucent taskbar. Install that. For the translucent taskbar, I need you to right-click the water drop Rainmeter icon on the lower right of your desktop. Find it under Skins, Translucent Taskbar, and Sample.ini. See? It's applied right away. After that, let's move on to Nav. Right-click, open, install. And as you see, we have 5 shortcuts over here. This is what Nav does. It brings you the shortcut to your music, downloads, documents, pictures, and internet. For the internet, it's going to launch your default browser no matter what it's set to be on your Windows desktop. Pictures, it's all C drive. Documents, pictures, downloads, and music. However, you can change this, right-click, edit skin. You can change this to whatever you like. We can change this to a games folder, or we can change this to the Steam program. Whatever you like. Moving on, let's install Fountain of Colors. Now this is a tricky one. So just open, install, like the rest. However, you see nothing really happens, right? So first of all, I need you, this is how you edit it. I need you to first play music on your system. I won't be blasting audio from mine, but I'll be turning off my speakers. However, I'll be playing music in the background. You won't hear the music, but it's playing. The purpose of this is just to show where our icon is. You see the upper left? Here we are. This, you can, by the way, you can move all these things. You can move it anywhere on the screen you want. So you can customize this as much as you want. Please have fun with it. Also, tip, you can mouse over the scroll wheel and then you can increase or decrease its size depending on how you like. Just put your mouse over something and just scroll up and down. Just get that perfect symmetry you like. Same as here. Okay, back to the translucent taskbar. For me, I want to put the translucent taskbar here in the middle of the box. If audio isn't playing, by the way, this thing's gonna stop. I want to put it here in the middle of the box, but I want to add more something to it. So let's try change color. Let's go for a dark blue since we're in the river after all. So that's how it goes. Okay, let's move this out of the way first and let's edit this. For me, I already like the height and the thickness and the gap. 4:1 is my setting. You can change that, however. You can change this to 1. It'll be really small. You can change this to 6. It'd be a bit bigger. For me, 4:1 is already good. I like the effect this one creates. All right, so if you put this over here, sure, but no. I think I want to skew it a bit since the river is going from up to down. I want it sideways. So go to here, transform, and under mirror, you see the 0, 0. I just want you to adjust it to however you like. I like it about 13. Yeah, 13 seems fine. Again, music is playing in the background. All right, I don't think blue is the right color here. Let's go for dark gray. You can also use any of these colors here. Just move your mouse over it. You can create a custom color. But for now, I think I like dark gray. On second thought, maybe I'd like it just about adjacent to Thursday. So I'm gonna increase this to I'm just gonna play with it a bit. 14.5 maybe. No. 12.5. No. 13. Oh no. Alright. So from 0. There. 30 seems right. Oh, and I forgot to mention, the links below, these will send you directly to the websites on your default browser. So once you have all that, our skin is done. Also, I forgot to mention this little icon, headphones icon in the lower left. Let's open settings again. As you can see, there's a list of media players here. Media Monkey, iTunes, WMP, Winamp, Fubar, AIMP, and MusicBee. If you choose to use any of these, it's gonna show up here, the artist, the song, and something else. I haven't used this because I don't use these supported media. But if you choose to, I guess, yeah, it will work. All right, so yeah, that is Forest River. This is my creation. Inspiration comes from lots of different artists. I'll put all the links down in the description box down below. And what else can we do to fine tune this? Maybe change to this to lighter gray. Hey, I think that looks better. There you go. Now you can do so much more with Rainmeter. So stay tuned for my next videos. We'll keep this as a finished product. Just minimalist, clean, nice looking desktop. So much better than your basic old desktop. Well, this is Anthem and check me out in my next video. Peace.